How to add new fonts to Photoshop. It's very simple. So what you want to go ahead and do is just go over and download your font, because basically even if you have Photoshop open or it's closed, it's going to automatically go ahead and go into your Photoshop library. So all you want to do is just download whatever you want. I'll be using Dafont. You can get a bunch of free fonts from here. So we'll just go ahead and download something. Then once it's downloaded, just go within it and then go over to the OTF file or the TTF file. Go ahead and click on it and then press install right here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to open up Photoshop, and basically this font, it's called Blue Water. I'll show you that it's already going to be in here, which is going to be really nice. So as you can see, it's now open, and then all you got to do once everything loads up is go wherever you want. So I'll just go over to this right here, and now all I'm going to do is select any text you want. Then I'm just going to go here, and then now we can just go ahead and find that Blue Water font. And so we're just going to go here, and as you can see, it's right there. And yeah, it's as simple as that.